Alright, I finished my ammo test. Now it's time for some good old-fashioned range plinking. I got my Smith & Wesson Model 17-3 here. I'm going to go between it and the Heritage Rough Rider just for some fun. I've been needing a round plinking day. And if all goes well, and if the weather holds, we may be going out to the cabin to shoot again Monday. Have to wait and see. Alright, you can still see me, but I'm going to have to move that camera here in a little bit. Okay. Awesome. Double action, single action. Gotta love it.
The cuckoo died just in time for the Zika.
Yes. One-handed now. If you want your 22 to sound like a miniature 357, just run some of this 22 Expert Winchester through it. It'll make a difference in sound. I heard that ricochet down there.
I did too.
Okay.
And son of a bitch, if I got 4 bullets in one hole down there and one leaked out about 1/4 of an inch to the right of the group, pissed me off.
Such is the nature of 22s.
Oh, that's Remington Ely. Oh my word, it shoots good.
Oh yeah. Alright, Heritage Rough Rider one-handed now. Let's see it. There we go. Alright, safety off. I rattled that frame down there. Six shots. More than enough to kill anything that moves. There we go. Alright, here we go. Okay. Okay, back on safe. Kentucky reload. Alright. Kentucky Reload, just pick up another gun and start going. My camera is low on battery power. Okay. Reload time.
How do you spell anatomy?
A-N-A-T-O-M-Y. Anatomy. Got to clean both of these again. Yep. They go right down my jacket sleeve. Okay. That's tight fit. All right, Heritage Rough Rider time. That last clip, I was trying to do one more shoot with the Smith with my ammo. I had a few shells that were not in too healthy condition, so I had to cut the footage. Okay. Alright, camera is catching me. Gotta love the big old plume of smoke that comes out the end. Okay. Okay. Load up some more ammo here. Some people might ask me, well, which one do you like the best? Oh, my camera's dying. Which one of the two do you like the best, your Smith or your Heritage? And I'd have to say both of them are very fun to shoot, and picking a favorite out of between the two would be pretty hard. I may have to do a versus video between the two of them here next time we go out shooting, just for fun, because they're both very great handgun. Ah, my door shut. Okay, one-handed time. Mrs. Zombie down there is having a bad day. Not only did she get lit up by an M14 the other day, about 20 rounds out of an M1A M14, but she's had 22 handguns emptied into her several times this evening. So Mrs. Zombie has seen better days. Okay, got my Smith again. You want to know what the quickest way to cure the coronavirus would be? Is if Trump came out and said he's moving the election back another 4 years. Coverage of the coronavirus would disappear overnight, and it would have been like it never happened. But only if Trump did that. That'd easily end all this bullshit. This dumb fuckery. Because the media will shit their britches and be like, oh, well, we can't have that bullshit. They drop that coronavirus like it never even happened. Let's load 6 more here. Check my camera. My camera is in dire straits. I think this may be the last clip, and I might go over to cell phone footage. Trump 2020. Yay.